Students really enjoy the hands-on aspect of it. It's one thing to see it in theory, but it's another thing to see it, learn it, and then go apply it. I think that's a better way to learn, and students get more out of that experience than just worksheets or learning in theory. So I teach a variety of classes, which gets difficult too. It's a pretty small greenhouse, but we're getting a larger one. So I mean, for this greenhouse, we apply it to plant and soil, to floriculture, to biology, even animal science, nursery landscape. So we have a huge variety of different things I teach, and they can kind of overlap altogether. If we're studying biology, the greenhouse is a great resource for that. So is the farm even, study of life. If we're doing floriculture, obviously we are growing flowers and plants in here and propagating things, but that also overlaps into nursery landscape where we're outside planting things that we propagated. And then if we're landscaping with flowers, and those are things we can cut for floral arrangements. So everything kind of overlaps, which is nice. Distance, proximity to the resources. There is like a 5-minute lag, sometimes 10-minute, where it is difficult to utilize that teaching time. I can kind of talk with the students on the way and reinforce it, but there is kind of some distance. Cost of operating everything can be difficult at times, but I've got a lot of donations and the school has been pretty helpful. Not every student loves it, but if nothing else, it just kind of plants a seed in a lot of their heads to where I'm sure that they'll use it later. And I think that just seeing them use it in their own lives is super rewarding. When we're teaching hands-on skills that they can use in their daily lives, those are things that they're going to use the rest of their life. So that's great education.